Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have the Bargain Bead Box unboxing for September of 2025. If you're not familiar with it, it's a monthly box and they're $24.99 a month. And they're valued usually, they say $60, but a lot of them have been more at $80. So it's a great deal. And you get a little bit of everything, and everything kind of matches or has a theme. Different theme each month, so you can make a bunch of jewelry out of it. Usually I can make like 5 or 6 pieces at least with leftover beads and findings each month. So it's great. I have a code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below, as well as a link to the Bargain Bead Box. So I did watch Lauren do a little bit of her, where she does the little spoiler alert, because I am so excited every month for this. And this one is called Sweater Weather. It's beginning to feel like fall, and we're so ready. This palette of cozy autumnal tones includes rich browns, dark red, navy blue, gray, and bronze. Oh, that sounds pretty. Gemstones include petrified wood, mahogany, obsidian, agate, and bronzite, along with crystal, glass, and metal accents. We love the patterned wood pendants and glass beads mixed too. Okay. So let me make sure I have you centered. Bring this down just a little bit. Okay. Ooh. So let's see, there's 22 pieces in this one. And this one, the estimated retail value for the shipment is $94.78. That is just amazing. Look at all of these. For $24, look at all of this stuff that you get. Oh, look how pretty these are. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, let me get everything set. I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is a 15-inch strand of 8mm petrified wood matte round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Wow, petrified wood. I don't know if I even have anything like that. Check these out. If you can see the striations in that. Let me open it up. I'm just gonna hold it up there. These are really cool. They have a really weird feel to them. It feels like really dry wood. I know that sounds stupid, but that's they don't have a bead, the feeling of them is different than most beads. Number two is 2 pieces of 30mm mahogany obsidian wavy flat round beads. Oh, these are pretty. These are kind of heavy. I'm not sure if these would make a good earring. They might, but, and there's these are really pretty. I think these would be better pendants. I mean, I guess you could maybe use it for an earring. I would just worry about your earlobe ripping. These are really pretty. And number 3 is 15-inch strand of 4mm mahogany obsidian round beads. Oh, these are so pretty. They do such a good job of curating these boxes every month, bead bags every month. So if this is your first time and it's $24.99 and then you use my code BNJ2, it's $22.99. So this is a great deal. These are so pretty. That was 3. And now number 4 is 7-inch strand of brown textured agate dyed round beads. Oh, these are pretty too. Such a great job of picking out these beads. And I love the mahogany colors with this too. Very pretty. And number 5 is 12 pieces of 10mm bronzite matte round beads. Oh, these are cool. See them? Here's a couple. Very pretty. Oh, these are heavy too. Wow. Okay, number 6. These look really cool. 6 pieces of 24 by 26 millimeter glass flower beads in navy blue. Check these out. And the hole is right here. So here's the back of one, and then here's the front. You can see all that shimmer in them. These are really pretty. Okay, and number 7 is 10 pieces of 10.5 millimeter glass flower beads in navy blue. So they're not the same. These are much darker, but these are pretty too. And here is the holes. You can see it. You can use these as bead caps too, for jewelry too, and they look really pretty with the bead in there. Very pretty. You get 10 of them. Okay, and number 8, 7-inch strand of 8 by 16, or I'm sorry, 8 by 6 millimeter glass barrel beads in dark coral red. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wait, hold on one second. 7-inch strand. I got 2 strands. This said 7 inches. Oh, okay, no, it's not, never mind. It's been a long day. I was like, I got 2 strands here, but they don't look like 7 inches. Okay, look at how pretty these are. We're gonna have a lot of fun this month. Okay, and number 9 is a 12-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in opaque gray. They give us crystal bicone beads every month. Look how pretty those are. Look at that shimmer. These make great spacer beads too. Even if you don't use them with this box, you can just put them in your stash and use them for other jewelry. They're a very versatile bead. So, and number 10 is 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal faceted fancy cube beads in light steel blue. Oh, hello. Wow, look at these. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look at that shimmer. Ooh. Oh. Hello, darling. Wow. It's like I need my sunglasses for these. Whoa. I think this is the shiniest bead I've ever seen. So pretty. Okay, number 11. 8-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle belly. Talking too loud. Rondelle beads in matte steel blue. I just ate my salad, and so my mouth is like, I'm trying to drink enough water while I'm filming. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at how pretty these are. I'm trying to get it up to the camera so you can see everything. Wow. So pretty. This with this. Oh, they'd make a really pretty, like, bracelet, like 2-strand, 3-strand bracelet. Okay. Oh, these are cool. I saw these on her. Spoiler alert. 2-piece patterned wood pendants with brass chain accent. Now, let me see if I can get this out. Check these out. Let me lay this down first. See if you can see it. So there is, let me lay it flat. It's very lightweight. So there is a jump ring right up here in the middle. And it's the same on both sides. This is really cool. I mean, all you have to do is take an ear wire and put it in there, and you've got a pair of earrings, you know. Really pretty. And they're very lightweight. So they make great earrings. Or you could do it as a pendant too. Okay, and number 13, oh, this is fun. 20 grams of glass bead mix in autumn or earth. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me get one of my, wow. Okay, hold on one second. Oh, hello. These are beautiful. Let me kind of put it up closer so you can kind of see the beads in there. These are really pretty. Let's see. Look at that. Like a few in there. There's this got a bend in it, so I don't want to break these beads. Yeah, there's a few bicones in there. This is a nice little mix. Very pretty. I'm just gonna leave that there. And then next is 10 pieces of 33 millimeter filigree flower components in antique bronze. Oh, these are cool. Oh, they got a nice there's definitely a front and a back to these. This is the front, and then I don't know if you could tell that's the back. They're a little concaved in right there in the back. And how many of these? 10 pieces. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, how pretty are these? These would make great connectors. There's so many holes here. You could intertwine beads on there, and yeah, there's a lot you can do with these. That might be kind of a good project for this. I'll have to put that in my mental Rolodex. File that in the back for B for beads. Okay, number 15 is 4 pieces of 48 millimeter filigree flower component in antique bronze. Ooh, there's 3 of them. So yeah, this looks, wait a minute. Oh, they're the same on both sides. And there's 4 of them. These would make really pretty like boho hippie earrings. Maybe intertwine some beads around, or just do it kind of through there, or just put an ear wire on there and call it a day. Those are really cool. Okay. So this was 15. So 16 is 10 pieces of 10 millimeter glass pattern matte round beads in slate blue iris. Oh yes, we've had these before. These are so pretty. Let me put a couple on this eye pen. So I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to turn it. There's a pattern on it. Oh. Very pretty. Okay. And ooh, number 17 is 6 pieces of 23 by 19 millimeter floral chandelier links in antique bronze. Oh, these are pretty. So this is the back, and then that's the front. Oh, these are really pretty. And see, they have like the 1 hole right up there, and then they got 3 holes there. So you could do like a dangle earring with them. Very pretty. There's a lot of possibilities with this box. Okay, and number 18 is 10 pieces of 24 by 18 millimeter floral medallion links in antique bronze. Okay, we've had these before. These are pretty. These make great connectors. See those, and they look the same on both sides. I don't think there's a front and a back, but yes, very pretty. Those slid in there. And number 19 are 50 pieces of 6 0.5 millimeter daisy spacer beads. I can't talk today. Oh, 50 of them. That's nice. These are bigger than the ones we normally get too. Oh, we're going to have to make some jewelry with this box. This is definitely going to be fun. Okay, and number 20 is 10 grams of dotted 8-point bead caps. 10 grams. Oh, look at these. So that's the front and that's the back. These are bigger ones too. Dotted 8-point. They look very rugged and earthy. This is the best way to describe that. And number 21 is 2 sets of ornate pattern round toggle clasps. Oh, these are pretty. Sometimes, it's funny because sometimes I'll use these in the front and I'll use these as kind of a pendant. So you don't have to always use them as a toggle clasp. I've used these as pendants where I've had the necklace come through here and then I'll dangle stuff from down there. So yeah, there's a lot you can do with these. You don't have to always use them as toggle clasp. Remember, get creative. It's only jewelry. And last but not least, 1 meter of 7 by 3.5 millimeter and 4 by 3 millimeter Figaro jewelry chain. I don't know if I said that right. Oh, okay. I see there's 2 different sizes in there. Let me see if I can kind of hold it up. You can kind of see the, yeah. This was a beautiful box. Lauren hit it out of the park this time, better than she always does. So, yes, definitely check out their website. Like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And this sweater weather collection is, I'm definitely going to be busy this month. I'm going to visit my daughter and her husband in Georgia. My husband and I are for like 3 days, but I will get all of my videos done ahead of time. So they'll be running while I'm gone. So maybe I'll bring her a piece of jewelry or something up there. So I hope you enjoyed this, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And give this video a thumbs up and even leave me a comment. It really helps my algorithm and helps me to keep creating jewelry for you guys and doing unboxings. I love reading everybody's comments. I always answer them. So, and I have links to all of my social media below, as well as my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.